Assalamu alaikum. Hello, today in this video we are going to have a look at how to use the browser extension called Save to Notion. This is super helpful in quickly saving the blogs, websites, articles, cooking recipes and other resources from the internet and having them saved in one place in Notion. This is the website savetonotion.so. You can check this website. I will provide the link in the description box below. This extension is 100% free. It comes in Chrome as well as Firefox, but unfortunately not in iOS or Android. I will show you how to install this extension. The link is provided in the description box below. Click on that link. It will direct you to this page. Here you can see this button. Since I have already installed this extension, it is showing like this. But for the first time users, you can see a button here that says add to Brave or add to Chrome. Click on that button, the extension will get installed. Once it is done, you can click on this icon and find here Save to Notion extension. Click on this pin icon and the extension will get pinned to your toolbar on top right. This is the extension icon. Now you are ready to start saving your anything, blogs, website, anything from the internet. But before that, you have to create a database in Notion. This is my bookmarks database. I save all my bookmarks here. Just show one. This extension captures everything from the cover image, icon, title of the blog, description, link, date captured and the author and all the images. The whole blog is captured here. You to create a similar database, you can create a database like this. Make sure to add all the properties here, name, tags, URL, date, everything. Now I am going to open a blog. If you are reading this blog, what you would do after reading, you would just bookmark it here. Instead of bookmarking in the Chrome, you can save this blog in Notion. Click on this icon on top right. If you are a first time user, you have to add a form. You can find the database here. Search for the database here. Open the database. If you want to bookmark only the title, image, icon, you can bookmark. You can select this one. Or else, if you want to extract the whole content of the blog, click on this. Now you have to map the fields here. The name is mapped to this page title and this content image is mapped to the page image. You can remove this one, don't want. You can add more fields here. You can add the cover image. Also you can add icon of the blog. Also you can add tag. The URL is already mapped here. And after adding all the fields, you just give save. It is saving to bookmarks database. You can see here now the title of the blog is saved and the content image, cover image, icon and the tag is also. This blog is about halal income, so that tag is also saved here. And even if you want to add more images, just one image is added here. If you want to add more images, you can add. Just click here and select image. Click on that image. If you want to add this image, just click on this will be captured. You can see here this image is captured, and whatever image you want to capture here, you just click on that, and after adding the images you just give click page. It is saving to Notion now. You have an option to open Notion from here. It is saving now. Yeah. Title of the blog, image, link. See, the image is captured here. It will take some time for the content to save here. The blog is saved now. You can check whether the whole blog is saved. That's it. It is very easy to save anything from the web just with the click of a button. Hope you understood how to use this browser extension. If you found this video beneficial, please give a like. And if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my Muslim Appreneur channel in Telegram. Get the link below. Jazakallah. Thanks for watching.